So in this video, I'll show you how to block players in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So all you have to do is launch the game on your console. Then on this page, select Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Now from here, you can use the R3 button. So simply pressing your right analog stick to access the social, Black Ops 6 social. So this is basically whereby you can see your friends or all the recent players you'd like. Or alternatively, you can press the options button on your controller. Then from this menu that appears, select social, and that will take you to the same place. So for instance, if you want to block your friend, so for instance, come to your friends list and find the friend you'd like to block. So for instance, if I want to block this particular player, just select him using the X button on your controller. Then from the options that appear, scroll down and find block player. Then if you want to block him, just simply select, and then you'll be asked, are you sure you want to block this particular player? This player will be removed from your friends list. Then select block player, and you'll see that particular player is blocked. So if you want to block players from your recent games, or rather recent players, so on the social, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the recent players, and then find the player you'd like to block. So for instance, if I want to block this particular guy, so select him, or rather select the player, and then from the options that appear, scroll down and find block player. So select it, and then you'll be asked, are you sure you want to block that particular player? So select block, and you'll see a notification that person is blocked, that particular player is blocked. So that's basically it on how to block players in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.